Hello guys, welcome back to my Java online class. This is Anil. In today's session, I am going to explain the topic called white space in Java. What are white spaces, why we use white spaces, and where we use white space in our Java program. With a practical program, I am going to explain. Come on, let me start. First, what are white space? White space is any character that is used just to separate letters on a line, such as tab, line feed or carriers written. White space are used to separate letters on a line. For example, it may be a tab. With the tab, we used to give space. It may be a line feed. Line feed, it is a character which is used to move our cursor to the next line. And carriers written, it moves our cursor to the beginning of the next line. White space can be declared anywhere within the application source code without affecting the meaning of the code to the compiler. See guys, white space, where suppose you need to use white space in your source code. You can use anywhere in your source code, but it is not going to affect the meaning of the code to the compiler. Okay, you can use anywhere in your Java program, but there is a restriction. The only place that white space cannot be is between a token such as variable or class name. See guys, here we have a restriction where suppose we should not use white space. It is in between variable or class name. You can see here we have the example. This is the first statement, this is the second statement. First statement, it is right. In between variable or class name, we are not providing any white spaces. Here we don't have any white space for the variable name. In the same way for class name, make sure that you are not providing any white space. But here we have the white space, int space my space again int. So this is wrong guys. Compiler throws an error because we have variable or class naming rules. We don't have any rules like we can provide space in between variable names or class name. So compiler throws an error if we use such statements. White space is optional, but because proper use of it has a big impact on the maintainability of the source code for an application. Its use is highly recommended. It means white space, the usage of white space, it is optional for you guys, but it is highly recommended that you should use white space in your source code, because by using white space in your source code, it increases the maintainability of your code and it increases the readability of your source code. So make sure that you are using white spaces in your source code, and this is good program practice guys. Here we have a source code for demonstration purpose of white space. In this we are printing hello world to the standard output, and we are making minimal use of white space in this source code. You can observe here public class hello world. Again in the current line itself we are continuing the source code. In the next line we have curly brace, again we are continuing system.out.println hello world. Again we are closing curly braces in the current line itself. We are not using white spaces. We are making use of minimal use of white space here. But guys, can you compare this minimal usage of source code with this? This is also the same source code to print hello world to the standard output, but here we are making use of white spaces. Okay, you can observe it increases the readability of your source code, where we are beginning with the curly braces and where we are closing. Okay, you can easily get it. It increases the readability of your source code, but here we can't. Okay, and You can observe in the next line we are beginning with the main, and here we are closing. Okay, so you can easily get it, the beginning of the curly braces and the end of the curly braces, and where you are beginning with your source code and where you are ending the source code, everything you can get very easily, and it is very easy to understand for the end users. Okay, so make sure that guys you are making usage of white spaces in your Java program. You can see this point. Choose a scheme for applying meaningful white space and follow it, then you stand a better chance of knowing which close curly braces matches which open curly braces. Okay, so make sure that you are making uses of white spaces in your Java program. So this is the class for the day guys. Have a nice day.